When it comes to survival and self-defense, having the right tools is essential. While machetes are often associated with clearing brush and vegetation, they can also be a crucial part of your survival kit. A well-designed machete can help you protect yourself in dangerous situations, as well as cut through tough materials and gather firewood. In this video, we'll explore the top 7 best machetes for survival and self-defense, so you can choose the one that's right for you and be prepared for any situation. The Schrader CHF40 HF machete is a rugged and versatile tool designed for use in the backcountry. This machete is constructed from a single slab of tough-edged retaining 3CR13 stainless steel, which provides excellent durability and edge retention. The thick full-tang spine drops to meet the razor-sharp 10-inch full-fine edge, forming a massive spear point capable of handling the toughest piercing tasks. The blade's canted design, large belly, and forward-weighted center of gravity allow for easy chopping, splitting, and processing of raw materials. The generous finger qual provides increased balance, leverage, and control, making precision notching, slicing, and cutting a breeze. The rubberized TPA handle slabs are patterned to channel moisture away from the hand, prevent hot spots, and keep the blade under full control at all times. Comfort is further enhanced by the ergonomic contours, spine-side curve, and flares that ensure a positive grip during extended use. The front and rear lanyard holes allow cordage to be added for an additional level of security to safely haul Jethro on your next adventure. The blade snaps into its rugged black nylon fiber sheath, and further security is ensured using the hook and loop handle strap. The SCHF40 can be carried on any belt, or use the included strap with adjustable pad to sling the blade over your shoulder. The plentiful array of grommets and slots is designed for hard use in the backcountry. The Schrade CHF40 HF machete is crafted from premium materials and built to last a lifetime. Whether you are camping, hiking, or trekking through the wilderness, the SCHF40 is an essential tool that will help you tackle any task with ease. The Fiskars Machete Axe is a powerful and versatile gardening tool designed to tackle tough materials and fast-growing vegetation with ease. With a blade length of 29 inches and a weight of 2.5 pounds, this machete axe is a formidable tool that can handle large areas with relative ease. The ultra-sharp, rust-resistant blade is shaped for a wide range of tasks, making it an excellent tool for cutting through thick branches, vines, and other vegetation. The blade also features a sharpened curve for quick pull cuts and a sharpened tip for push cutting and chiseling in tight spaces. The comfortable performance handle design is a standout feature of the Fiskars Machete Axe. It includes an intelligent texture pattern that provides a secure grip, even in wet conditions. The handle design also allows for 3 different grip positions, depending on the task at hand. You can choke up on the handle for precision work, grip the middle for general use, or grip the end for maximum force. With its combination of an axe, light blade head for chopping and splitting, and a sharp machete blade for quick pull cuts, the Fiskars Machete Axe offers a versatile and efficient way to clear even the toughest vegetation. Whether you're clearing overgrown areas or tackling tough yard work, the Fiskars Machete Axe is an excellent tool for the job. The Counterpolar North machete is an outstanding bushcraft tool that offers impressive chopping and clearing capability. With an overall length of 18.42 inches, the machete is compact, making it a perfect tool for those who need a compact, lightweight, and versatile cutting tool. The blade is made of 1075 high-carbon steel, which has been heat-treated and annealed to a 50 to 55 Rockwell C scale to provide excellent durability and sharpness. The blade itself is 11.76 inches in length and 0.10 inches thick. It is coated in a blasted satin finish, which provides a non-reflective surface that is less likely to rust. The Wright Overland machete is a versatile and durable tool designed for bushcrafting and survival. Handmade in the USA, The Overland Machete features a spear point blade made of 1075 carbon steel with a blade length of 12.25 inches and a cutting edge of 12 inches. The blade is thin enough for clearing brush, yet strong enough to split wood or chop through branches. The handle of the Wright Overland Machete is designed with integrated thumb scallops, allowing for a comfortable and secure grip. The multiple lanyard holes in the handle allow for secure use, and the rear lanyard hole comes equipped with shock cord for extra retention in the sheath. The leather sheath, made in the USA by JRE Industries, features dual belt loops and plenty of rivets for extra lashing options. With an overall length of 18.75 inches and a blade thickness of 0.09 inches, the Wright Overland Machete is an all-around survival tool capable of standing in as a hatchet and small knife as well, making it a true one-tool option for bushcraft and survival. The cold steel Barong machete is a versatile blade that combines the traditional agricultural tool with a fearsome weapon of warfare. The 18 inches leaf-shaped blade is made from 1055 carbon steel, which is known for its durability and strength. The baked-on matte black finish aids in rust resistance, ensuring that the blade remains sharp and effective for extended periods of use. The classic down-turned polypropylene handle helps to anchor the blade in the hand, providing resistance against centrifugal forces when making hard chopping or slashing strokes. This feature ensures that the machete remains secure during use, reducing the risk of injury to the user. The handle is 6.5 inches long, providing ample space for a comfortable grip. The Barong's curved blade is an excellent tool for bushcraft, able to cleave vines and branches with ease. It is a popular blade style within the Filipino martial arts and has a fearsome reputation for inflicting massive wounds and deep slashing cuts. This makes it a valuable tool for self-defense and survival situations. The Tops Knives Bestia is a heavy-duty chopping tool that was designed to meld the best of two worlds, the kukri and el machete, to create a true beast in chopping ability. With an overall length of 19.25 inches, a blade length of 13 inches, and a weight of 31.5 ounces, the Bestia is a formidable tool that is not for the faint of heart. The blade is made from tough 1095 tool steel and has a thickness of 0.25 inches. The long forward curved blade and weight behind it bite deep with each swing, making it an excellent tool for heavy chopping tasks. The tan traction powder coating provides protection for the blade for years to come, even in harsh outdoor conditions. The handle is made from sandwiched micarta, making it thick and well contoured for a comfortable grip. It is long enough to hold into positions, one for full-on chopping and one for more controlled and even fine cuts. The handle design provides excellent balance, making it easier to control the heavy blade during use. The open-backed kydex sheath comes with a leather dangler attachment, making it easy to carry given the Bestia's size. The sheath provides secure retention of the knife and quick access when needed. Overall, the Tops Knives Bestia is an excellent choice for those who need a heavy-duty chopping tool for outdoor or survival situations. It is a true workhorse that will not let you down when the going gets tough. The Schrade SCHBOLO is a survival bolo that comes housed in a rugged, reinforced ballistic nylon sheath. This bolo is inspired by traditional Southeast Asian jungle tools and is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts who require a heavy-duty cutting tool for their adventures. With a massive 14-inch titanium-coated stainless steel blade, the SCHBOLO is perfect for clearing vegetation, trailblazing, and bushcraft. The sharp and pointed tip is great for piercing and poking, making it a versatile tool in a survival situation. The knife has a full tang, which runs the entire length of the bolo through the handle, providing a strong and durable build that you can rely on in any situation. The ergonomic rubberized safety grip helps keep the blade in your hand, even in all weather conditions. There's also a lanyard hole through the end of the tang for extra security. The polished reflective blade can also be used to signal for help in an emergency situation. The SCHBOLO comes with a small detachable sheath that houses a diamond field sharpening stone and an extra-large fire-igniting ferro rod for optimal performance. The bolo is held firmly in place in the reinforced nylon sheath with an adjustable strap and to-snap closures. Crafted from premium materials and built for a lifetime, the Schrade SCHBOLO is a heavy-duty cutting tool that will stand up to any challenge you throw its way.